I've been really trying, baby. Let's get it on. Let's get it on, baby. Let's get it on. Let's get it on. Please get it on.
Okay. Okie dokie. Dirty fucking animal. No, don't fucking move. Right, now you can go back. It says give way back down there, for fuck's sake. Go. Don't just sit there, come on. Alright, now I feel kind of bad because it was a really old man or woman, I'm not too sure. Oh, that smell of the clutch is beautiful. I genuinely feel bad now. One day I'm going to be old and I'm going to kill all my clutches. Yay! Yeah, good luck getting past that in your wheelchair, you selfish little fuck. Selfish little fuck. Did I say wheelchair or did I say pram? I'm not too sure. But either way, selfish little fuck. Good luck getting past that in your wheelchair. There he is. He looks so proud of himself as well. It is one of those days where everyone's just being knobheads. Dickhead. Whatever's in that truck, it's top heavy and it's not centered. I'm just waiting for it to tip over. I can see it happening. What on earth is he shouting at? Oh dear Lord. Oh dear. You just can't make this up, can you? He's just blocked that entire window. He's not. Ooh! What a bellend. What an actual bellend.
Hey, the girls is clean.
Tell that dog he needs to fix his mirror.
You need to fix your mirror. What's he doing?
I got no idea. I have literally no clue. That's stupid because if he stops, that pedestrian then thinks, oh, it's okay to cross, and she could walk out in front of you and kill herself. That was a stupid cyclist. That's what we're going to say. Stupid cyclist. Where's he going? What do you want?
Yeah, what'd you say, sweetheart?
Oh, move forward or you're never going to get out. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Hello. Hello. Alexii, tell him hello.
He's not going to move forward.
He's going to have to. He can't just sit there. There's nothing in front of him.
Well, he's going to, isn't he?
He either moves forward or I'm going to go. There we go. We're going? We're going? Go on.
He looks very confused, isn't he?
He does, man. What is it doing?
Just decided to take it past the road.
He's going to be around you, you knobhead.
Is it?
Thanks? What do you mean thanks? It's a fucking give way, divvy bitch. What the fuck? So that's what you got to do when you're driving, right? If you just force your way out, if they don't stop, you can then scream at them.
Okay.
Alright, that's what you got to do when you're driving.
Okay.
Cool. question to all the bikers, the real bikers, yeah? You know, the big hairy bearded guys. This is a question to you guys. How painful would it be, or you would die, wouldn't you? If you come off of one of those, at anything over like 30 miles an hour, you're dead, aren't you? You're fucked. There is no like road rash, there's no screeches on your elbow, you're dead. Why do real motorcyclists go on their bikes, go crazy speeds, with only a t-shirt and a pair of shorts on? It really does pickle my fucking mind. Anyone got an answer to that? I would love to know.
Oh my god, it's a zebra!
What?
Look!
Oh, what? Look at that! What noise do zebras make?
I actually don't know.
We're gonna have to Google that.
Hey Google, what noise does a zebra make?
This is a zebra.
So basically, a donkey pig then, yeah?
Fucking hell, man. Jesus.
It's not funny. It's not funny. Don't laugh. Fuck's sake, man. I love it. I fucking love it. When you're driving down the road, someone pulls out in front of you, almost stops you in the middle of the road, and then they have the cheek to fucking have a go at you like you're doing something wrong. What a fucking silly bitch. I know you're not going to be able to see it on camera, but she's either having a go at me or telling herself off, and I'm pretty sure it's not that second one. Just call them fucking idiots and then laugh. It's fucking stupid, isn't it? Don't ever flash people when you're driving. Never, ever flash people. Especially not to pull in front of you, because it confuses them. That person in that Civic was like, what? Am I meant to go? And then they just freeze for a few seconds. And that was enough for that bus driver to go, right, bollocks to you, you've not moved, I'm going to go. And then by that time, the Civic's already gone. And then they meet in the middle. So don't ever flash someone, and don't think someone flashing you means go. Okay?
Okay.
Driving lesson of the day. He must really like that taxi. He's took like 100 pictures so far. LOL, you done goofed, dickhead, you done goofed. Fuck, we got two of them now. They're everywhere today, they're like fucking rats, aren't they? Oh dear. I'm just going to sit here for today. I'm going to make an entire video just sat here doing fuck all, because there's so many knobheads. A DPD driver blocked the fucking road, taxi driver adding to the blockage. I told you it was one of them days where everyone's just fucking idiots. Come on, baby. What a fucking mess you made. Ow! That looks completely legal, doesn't it? Alexii, I'm asking you a question. I said that looks completely legal, doesn't it?
Oh. He's got this spray paint on his number plate.
It's fact. Just ignore him. Just drive round in it. Right, now look at that.
But
Hey, lights, man! No? Okay, never mind.
I think he was too busy texting.
I tried, Alexii. I tried. And that's how you be nice to a lorry driver.
Okay, good donkey.
Yeah. Right a bit. There just. Still do. Because they play with it. It's a little button for them. Alexii.
What's he doing?
I don't know, but this is what I mean. They're just proper fucking mongoloids today, aren't they? Look at this.
What is going on?
Day to this road now.
Oh, it's broke down.
Right, you're gonna have to stay there, aren't you? You don't just block the road up.
Oh, it's a learner.
Alright, my bad. I feel bad for taking the piss now. I didn't see. Did it have hazard lights on? It didn't. It start, did it?
It didn't, no, just stop there.
And then the other car made the situation worse by just admiring the view. Is that?
Well, it was his green light, really, but she should.
Alright, you're trying to learn how to drive, yeah? If somebody is blocking.
Well, you can't go anywhere. It's
So
blocking.
why didn't that car stay behind the light? Okay? Somebody at some point made a mess. Whether it's him breaking down there, unfortunate, yes, but no bad. Should have waited
Yeah.
until it's clear. Okay? There's a blockage because somebody's been in no bed, basically. That's the only time you get blockages.
Yeah, I suppose.
Okay? The arrows are proper simple things for people that can't drive properly, look. If you can't understand how to work this, yeah, you're thick as fuck.
merge, isn't it?
Thick as fuck, yeah? Then they got arrows, they got 3 of them to tell you to get over it, and people still fuck it up.
Yeah.
See what I mean? If everyone was normal, and people weren't fucking idiots, they would work it out between them who gets to go where, yeah?
Yeah.
They need arrows to point them in directions. It's for the proper thick as shit people, same as the keep clear boxes, yeah? In a perfect world, right? I'm ranting now. In a perfect world, yeah?
Yeah.
If there was traffic, you would keep that exit and that entrance clear. Just there, that one there. You
Yeah.
would keep that completely clear, right? But people don't because they're thick. They don't think and they just stop in the middle. So anyone who wants to come in or out can't do it, yeah? And then you get traffic on the other side of the road queuing up and beeping their horns. So then they're like, okay, people are thick as shit. Let's put a big box there to tell people to keep it clear. And people still didn't fucking keep it clear. Do you see why I have a fucking channel now?
Yeah.
Do you see what I mean? And then you get people who decide to speed on tiny little roads, so they put speed bumps. If people were to drive normally in a perfect world,
There would be no speed bumps.
there wouldn't be any of these silly rules and stuff like that. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
But because humans are dickheads, we have to have them. There's a white line there somewhere, isn't there? Is he having trouble finding it?
Yeah.